Attract more customers to your shop, improve customer satisfaction, and boost business with your current client base. Introducing NOVUS Glass repair, replacement, and ADAS calibration to your service offerings is a proven way to diversify your services and drive growth. After the thriving 2-year pilot program with NAPA Auto Care Gold Shop McNeil's in Sandy, Utah, NAPA and NOVUS Glass are teaming up to offer you a chance to add an auto glass repair and replacement bolt-on franchise to your existing auto care shop. NOVUS Glass is a global company with over 50 years of experience supporting and growing a reputable and trusted industry brand. By combining the strength of your local shop, NAPA Auto Care Center, and NOVUS Glass, we create a co-branding of trusted names dedicated to serving your community's auto care needs. So enough about us. What does NOVUS Glass offer you? With more patents than any other auto glass repair company, NOVUS Glass provides unmatched glass repair solutions to our franchisees and your customers. Our resins outperform all others in terms of adhesion, optical clarity, viscosity, and shrinkage. This means you can repair cracks, often over 12 inches long, that the competition won't touch. Our model includes proven processes, proprietary tools, materials, and software, ongoing technical, operational, and business training, a dedicated, performance-focused support team, a robust intranet full of valuable news and information, network buying power, and more. Connect with other NOVUS Glass franchisees from the U.S. and around the world to build connections, exchange ideas, learn, have fun, and be part of a strong global network within NOVUS Glass. The NOVUS Glass team will assist you in expanding and scaling your windshield repair, replacement, and recalibration business. You will have the exclusive ability to market to businesses and consumers in your NOVUS Glass territory. Multi-channel marketing efforts will introduce your new offering to residential and commercial customers. We've got your marketing covered from SEO-driven website content to social media marketing and reputation management services. Additional local marketing tools and customizable radio, television, and print collateral will help your business stand out. Let's invest in each other. Our tools and team will set you up for glass repair and replacement success. Together, we'll remain focused on creating a successful NOVUS Glass business with you. By investing, you become a NOVUS Glass franchisee with access to all available tools, resources, equipment, technology, and our unwavering commitment to your auto glass repair, replacement, and recalibration success. The success of NOVUS Glass is dependent on the success of our franchisees. We understand that we achieve success only when you do. Working together, we can build a clear view of the future and achieve greatness together. To learn more about your future with NOVUS Glass, contact us today.